Feel so good.
I have no friends, no home, and very much of the hunger.
As someone who has extensive experience with forgery, trust me, this textbook and everything in it is a total crock. The book covers are really just old cereal boxes. Uh-oh.
I am getting kinda hungry. Me too.
So much fun together. What kind of things do you like to do? Are you hungry? I'm really hungry. Hey, wanna play tag? Whoop, you're it.
It's a good show, but I'm starving. Oh, and my tummy is so hungry.
Over there. Man, why do they call them kidney beans?
Oh boy. There isn't gluten in these noodles, is there? Probably should have told you. I have a major gluten intolerance.
But what about our picnic? My tummy is grumbling.
I guess I'm just good at bending and twisting really low.
Yeah, Zoe, are you okay, Goofy?
Oh, yeah. That's just my tummy a-rumbling. Say, is it snacky time yet?
Did you hear that? It sounded like a saber-toothed tiger.
It's my tummy growling. Let's get something to eat.
Just my stomach. Happen to have anything to eat?
Anything that comes her way. And then I really should have finished my breakfast.
Well, my tummy says it's snack time.
Always think of safety first.
We will.
I suppose it's bread and butter for us then?
Not necessarily. We did rescue these on the way.
Good idea to me. Do you want to go, Tiddlers? Yeah! Ooh, right now, can you hear that noise?
Yeah.
I think that's my tummy rumbling, so I think we better go and get some food, and we'll go and see Mr. Shoemaker tomorrow.
Oh, no, thanks. I'm stuffed from breakfast.
Ugh, I'm getting kinda hungry for food to eat.
Me too. I think I haven't eaten since lunchtime.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, all right. Oh, that was good.
But only when you'll be sound asleep, right? And the best way to go to sleep is on a full tummy.
So I guess we better get cooking if we're having turkey tonight.
I don't know, but my stomach sure is happy we found it.
Adios, gold digger. Hope you like your...
Uh-oh, ukapele? No, just my belly wanting a snack.
Abandoned sheep! Abandoned sheep!
Oh no, sorry, Captain. I actually lost my tummy that time.
Oh man, I feel like $1,000,000.
You alright?
Yeah, my stomach's like randomly turned.
Ooh, what's making that sound?
Oh, just my tummy. I ate some of Tunip's kelp cakes for lunch, with a wee bit too much hot sauce.
Sorry, very hungry.
Don't worry, Coda. I sent Chase to get pizza.
So, Fury knows where the Pterosaur is, but wait till Sledge.
Sledge doesn't care about the Zord.
Check it out. Cleo, that's for the holiday dinner. We're not supposed to eat those until we're all together.
Hey, you talk, kind of, with an accent. Oh, it's fine. I don't really need to eat.
Yeah, it's got a lot of something, because it made my tummy all twisty.
Oh, that was me. I need a snack. Oh, sounds great.
Lisa, I'm afraid your tummy ache may be caused by stress.
Well, that's a relief.
Aw, cookie crumbs. My tummy keeps telling me how hungry it is.
That worked!
I'm still hungry, and there's house hot pot still for tea.
I'm starving.
Oh, Vern, you're always thinking about food. Look who's talking. My tummy always picks the worst time to growl.
Oops, sorry. Guess I'm hungrier than I thought. How about that frozen yogurt, Blythe?
Was that another monster?
Nope, my stomach's growling. I guess I'm hungry for some more s'mores.
Oh, that's not sitting right.
Oh, we didn't even get a chance to have lunch. I am so hungry now.
You'll be erasing one of the most shared, unifying, and inspiring dance crazes on the planet. Huh, but then again, I hear movie sets have great catering, so it's a win-win.
Firstly, we're going to get started with, oh god. What the hell? What is this feeling I'm having?
Yeah, I've been running around, not getting any sleep, having to take care of my aunts who have reverted, which is a witch way of saying they're acting like kids. I didn't have time to make my own lunch.
You're making me feel hungry. We better look at the leaderboard.
Before we can start our spaceship and fly back home for tea, I am hungry.
Hello there! Sorry, I think I just heard my tummy rumble. There's only one thing for it. It's time for a tasty taco tummy treat.
Good, because my tummy needs some grub.
Snowtacular! Oh, I'm getting hungry. If we eat a snack before we go outside, we'll have more energy to play. What's something warm we can eat on a chilly...
I am so ready to get out there with my new powers and find out why groundhogs come up and look around at the end of winter.
But first I need a snack. And the engine starts itself.
That's just me being hungry. I'm gonna swing.
I get it. Who wouldn't love a little sweet crumb action? I could really use a snack too. I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
Look up. They could be high in the canopy. This search might take a while. Time for a snack.
I'm starving and there is nothing to eat in this place.
Take my dog!
Seriously?
Sorry, that's my stomach talking.
And you know what else is a surprise? How way hungry all that shopping made me.